Moving on to a breaking update coming in where Dr. Subramanian Swamy has been leading the fight for justice for actor Sushant Singh Rajput and has been quite vocal for the CBI investigation, has just tweeted a short while back, and quickly quoting from that tweet where he goes on to say, at sharp 8 p.m. I will be with Ishkaran Bhandari, who is the lawyer of Kangana and is also leading the investigation. He says, I, with Ishkaran, will be posting a picture on Twitter in connection with justice for SSR, that is Sushant Singh Rajput. So what is that Dr. Subramanian Swamy will be revealing today on part of the picture which he says that he, along with Ishkaran Bhandari, who is also leading the investigation, will be putting forth, and it is being said that sharp at 8 p.m. he will be posting that picture. And there are already tweets and hashtags that are being led by Ishkaran Bhandari for justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, where he says it is warriors for SSR, and he will be going to the residence of Subramanian Swamy, and he will be posting also at 8 p.m. That is what is being said through Ishkaran Bhandari's post. We have Prakash with us, live with us, going across to him. Well, the protest and justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, though these are COVID times, Prakash, people will be not coming out of streets, but this is a virtual protest that being led by Ishkaran Bhandari and Subramanian Swamy, and let's see what really comes out at 8 p.m. or what he's tweeted.
Well, Subramanian Swamy had in fact written a letter to the Prime Minister also initially demanding for a CBI probe, and his letter was acknowledged. And since then, Subramanian Swamy and Ishkaran Bhandari has been at the forefront of getting justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. And they'd also together lit up candles earlier. And they have been very vociferous as far as launching an attack on the Mumbai police and the way they've been blocking the case. And justice for Sushant Singh Rajput with a CBI probe, because Mumbai police was not doing its job, and they always have felt that this is a planned case of murder and nothing else. So we'll wait and watch what kind of protest, because it will be a virtual protest, and since it is COVID time, so not many people will gather, and they will come up with something innovative for solidarity with Sushant Singh Rajput's family members, seeking justice for Sushant Singh Rajput as the matter is sub judice in the court. It is up for hearing on 18th of this month as the Supreme Court decides on the jurisdiction issue, as well as a petition filed by Riya Chakravarti to transfer the case to the Mumbai police. Back to you.
Yes. All right, Prakash, thanks very much. So we'll be